Under the radiant African sun, the golden grasslands of the savanna stretch endlessly, a vast and wild land where herds of animals move like flowing rivers. The wind carries the breath of the earth and sky, merging with the eternal rhythm of life. Emerging in the golden dawn, a family of elephants moves forward, each step resonating like the beating of ancient drums. Their flexible trunks, majestic curved tusks, and sail-like ears each feature a masterpiece of nature, sculpted for survival in this vast and untamed land. An elephant's thick, wrinkled skin helps trap moisture, keeping it cool under the scorching sun. Its massive ears, moving like giant fans, not only enhance hearing, but also regulate body temperature. And then, there's the trunk, an extraordinary organ of over 40,000 muscles, more versatile than any tool created by man. These gentle giants are not just survivors, they are the architects of the savanna. Their constant movement creates new pathways, their feeding habits shape the landscape, and even their dung plays a vital role spreading seeds and enriching the soil, giving life to future forests. But life in the wild is never easy. As the dry season tightens its grip, water becomes scarce, and the struggle for survival intensifies. Even the mighty elephant is not safe. Predators wait, calculating their chances. In the heart of the grasslands, a tense drama is about to unfold. A young elephant, barely a few months old, strays just a little too far from its mother. The lions see their opportunity. 7 hunters, led by an experienced lioness, begin their silent approach. Every muscle is tense, every movement calculated. And then the signal is given. The chase begins. A harsh reminder that in the wild, the balance of life and death is unwavering. The herd gathers, their silent grief echoing through the plains. But there is no time to stop. The journey must continue. These magnificent creatures have walked the earth for millions of years, shaping the world around them. But today, they face their greatest threat not from nature, but from us. Poaching, habitat destruction, and climate change are pushing them toward the edge. If we do not act, the thundering footsteps of the elephant may fade into silence.